looking at Ukwon. Ukwon. Ukwon is so cute. Looking at Ukwon. Siko. Siko. And here it is. Parkyung. 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 I want to meet these kids, man. So I can pronounce their names. It's so good. See? Until I met them. B-bomb. B-bomb. I got that right.
Congratulations.
P-po. Meat-po. Meat-po.
So embarrassing.
Taikil. Tai-il. NyQuil. Meet NyQuil. Taikil. Tail. Tail. Taikil. Taikil. J-O. J-O. Pronounce that right?
No.
J-O?
She,
No more?
that's it.
That's it.